let's wait a little bit. Okay, shall we begin in 3 minutes? Okay, let's begin. Hello viewers, everyone. Hi guys, this is Grace. I am about to live for a couple hours here to get you the news and the market updates, mostly in this live. And for the one who just come up here, I'll share the live with you. The channels that I have just started, I have total 3 channels. The first one is the YouTube. The second one is the TikTok that I just started to publish the content for couple contents right here, and then the Twitter right here. And for the YouTube itself, the purpose is to do the live streaming daily. And the second one is the TikTok. I can chop the content from YouTube and live or publish the short form of the content on TikTok, as well as update the screenshot or details in among the market right now, as well as the event that I popped up, maybe in Bangkok, maybe in Hong Kong, maybe in other conferences around APAC. It can be the live content as well as the throwback contents as well that I am about to publish more, because these are the channels that I have just started to try to launch the content as the influencer from scratch. So yeah, again, welcome to all the viewers that pass by or stop here to see what is happening right here, or if you are driving back from work, just open the live streaming and I will be a companion along the way until you reach home. So everyone must be very um confusing what is this channel about. So for the quick introduction about me, I am Grace. I just started the channels, wanted to share everyone the things that I have learned and I have read along the way about crypto, because I'm more like the generalist, and around this journey that I have been contributing and looking around, maybe trading a little bit, contributing to the project, join the conferences. So there will be things along the way that I have learned, and way that we learn effectively, it's gonna be the way we speak up. This is the key takeaway I have learned. This is the thing that I have thought from this script that I have learned. And so this is more like the journey of my Web3 learning, Web3 key takeaway, as well as Web3 conference. I would say that I can share on the daily basis, as well as some news details, some market insight that I have learned from what people talk about, and I can share as the secondhand experience, secondhand learner in my own channel. So let me quickly introduce about my YouTube channel. This is the very first one so far. I started last week with the super random content, and from this week forward, from this week onwards, I think I will put more outline in the market review, as well as the maybe book recap that I have learned along the way, or maybe founders talk, or maybe some the news that I have seen daily. Is there anything updated? So for the YouTube itself, my channel, I put this channel as Grace Talks Web3, because it's the only thing and it's the fundamental, it's the wide topic that I can pick up and share with you guys. So the content that I just started to publish is super new. The first this first video is the Thailand Blockchain Week. Let's start quickly together. Okay, so the this week is the small short review about the Thailand Blockchain Week last week that I I have joined. Usually they will have it every year at the end of the year, around the first week of November. So the first year that I joined Thailand Blockchain Week, it was in 2022. Yeah, 22, 23, and last year 24 we had DevCon landing in Thailand, in Bangkok, and then this year 2025 they have 2 days conference, and this year it was a little bit no, not a little bit, a lot smaller comparing to last year. The metrics that made Thailand Blockchain Week was super huge last year. It was because we had that DevCon landed in Bangkok. So the year before we had 30 something side event if I remembered correctly. And then last year we had side events around 1000 something, 1000 to 300 side event. It was very huge, and I was super excited. I got a lot of new friends, builders that I have been contacting and kept in touch along the way. But this year it was pretty small, and the project that I have seen, it was a very good project, and it leaned more on the AI, leveraging the AI that can support in terms of trading, in terms of market seizing. So it's not pure crypto, it's leveraged with the AI oriented product as well. So um, it was very nice. I get to meet a lot of friends in crypto, maybe or partners or people that I have seen them around, and it was a very good timing to see each other, like, hey, what are you building at the moment? This is what I am up to, and we are looking for this and that. It's more like the patch update to see people in the market. And this is the second one, the second video. I was talking exchange that I just joined for 1 week. I'm still very new in this company. So they launched the trading campaign for the KOC and its community. So this is the shortcut, the short information about the trading campaign. I will omit the details to save it to share with you guys later in details in this live. So this is the overview of the campaign. Not sure whether you guys hear it. Yeah. And then the third video, it's the one that I just produced this morning. It's about the trading mindset that I would like to pick it up and share to you guys, to remind you guys again that this is not the end of the world, although the BTC price um, draw down until now 95K. Oh my god, that was lower than I was expected. I was checking last time, it was 96. Huh. Okay. Mm. Yeah, so this is the content that I pick it up and would like to share with you guys again. And this is the YouTube channel that I would like to share. So far, it's gonna be the market review, project updates. I will pick up the project along the way. Anything that I feel like I am interested in that project, it can be I can be um, moved the enthusiasm by the news or the people that I met along the way. Who knows? It's gonna be a little surprise. And the second channel, it's gonna be the TikTok, and yeah, mostly I will share about the observation, the key takeaways in Web3 in crypto that I have learned. So this is the video that I self-made, like combine all the that I took the previous week. So it's more like the side event. It can be entertainment plus crypto side event, and this is the Solana accelerator that I met builders, and this is the main conference, 2 days conference. There was crowd at the panel discussion. The debates was pretty heat. I like it. This is the booth area of the conference. This is the AI project that I have seen. They so far leverage the they leverage the AI with the historical trading data, and then they build the predictive AI product. It's like you can ask about you can ask about the market, the token, your love life, even though it's the future predictive, your horoscope. It was very crazy, and the database itself, I think they train the AI themselves, if I remember it correctly, and then they combine with the astrology, the horoscope, and the historical trading data, combine it in the database, and then they produce the predictive AI where you can chat about it like, hello, this is my birthday, can you generate me how is it going to be like in the 3 month time frame in the future. Maybe let's give it a try. Dot com. Yeah, and then you can just, I think, yeah, I see the tarot picking. I'm just giving the question. Hello, this is Grace. How does my portfolio look like in the end of this year? And this is the answer that I've got. The stars flicker with the caution as 2025 draws to close. Jupiter, the planet of expansion, has stance with Saturn's stern gaze growth met resistance. The market's table is bittersweet. Bitcoin soared to celestial heights from one now tumbles, closing the year below 94K at 25% fall from its October zenith. It's true. Two for Ethereum, once Radiant has faded over 25% from its August glory. Talking about the institutional whales, hold steady, really? But the cosmic winds whisper of declining confidence and a bear's shadow. Okay, portfolio prophecy. It's your bag was If your bag was heavy with BTC and ETH, you rode the rocket and the re-entry. The end of 2025 finds portfolios bruised but not broken. Those who held through the storm may see a slowdown, but the bear's pole still presses on the scale. Okay, they have astral wisdom. Do not chase the falling star, nor mourn the moon's eclipse. The patient cat catches the mouse when the night is darker. Everything is under astral. This is so funny. Uh, yeah, it's correct from 195K. So yeah, this is the one of the project that I have seen. Okay, come back to the our YouTube channel, and yeah, and this is the astronaut, the project that I have seen in in Thailand market. It's the Thailand blockchain week this year. And yeah, this is the prediction. that I just bounced to. Yeah, and yeah, this is the Bank token Hyperliquid Thailand. So far, I joined Korea Blockchain Week. I went to Hyperliquid Hackathon. It was hosted by the Hyperliquid Korea and maybe the local agency. And I saw the Hyperliquid UK, Hyperliquid France. I didn't see Hyperliquid France in Korea Blockchain Week back then, but it was the online. It was from Twitter that I saw them. Hyperliquid Malaysia, and I was gonna say that in Thailand we have it too, and this is the very first official event that Hyperliquid Thailand represents. So they pull the host together as well as find the sponsor from the project in the market and then kick out the first official Hyperliquid event meetup featuring the Thailand Blockchain Week. So this is how it look. Yeah, so far the idea of this networking, it was like the organizer they pull the builders who consistently build on top of Hyperliquid and then share the panel discussion together as in like what are the challenges that they have seen so far, how is it like building on Hyperliquid at the moment, and what is going on, what is the hottest project at the moment on Hyperliquid. And the panel discussion, they were like 3 to 4 guys, like one from local influencer who contribute very hard in Hyperliquid and in his own company, in his own fund. And the second one, he was the builder from another country, but he built on Hyperliquid. And the third one is the local builder who built on Hyperliquid, and then they were just like discussed together about the like things that I talked to you previously. What are the momentum of the hype token? What are they facing at the moment about the challenge building on Hyperliquid, and what else? The key takeaway, and what is gonna be the roadmap, the preparation for the new builders who keen on building on Hyperliquid. And yeah, this is the third video, and I may post a little bit of meme on the TikTok channels as well. And yeah, this is the small video that I share. The same on YouTube. It's the key takeaway from the books that I have skimmed. It's all about the trader mindset I would like to share as well in this live streaming. And to wrap up, I have our channel here, Grace Talks Web3, and TikTok right here. And it's gonna be a channel on. It's gonna be my X as well, but I will be active more on TikTok and YouTube. If you have like Twitter, I have it here to socialize with me as well. Maybe it's gonna talk about the event recap, some random thoughts that I would like to share, and this is the totally new as well for the Web3 journey officially publicly that I just built from my end. And to yeah, to talk about the channel, I proceed in terms of the contents today live streaming. So far we will talk about the channel than the introduction about myself and the market overview. So we will dig a little bit deeper in the crypto bubble, see how things going at the moment. Today I have been live streaming in Bangkok, and right now it's gonna be 8 p.m. on Monday, 17 November. I think it's slightly better from this morning. I checked, it was very, very bad. And we'll see on the index on CoinMarketCap, CFIA and Great Index, or BTC dominance. It's there, the Altcoin season index over there, and how are we gonna react about the market and see top trending tokens at the moment. And next next phase I will talk through a little bit of the couple news, like what is the market doing this morning? Is it going to be entirely down or sideways? We can see the price about the ETH, XRP, Solana, and ADA as well. How are they reacting so far this week? And what can we as the crypto trader expect next? Should we rebalance our portfolio, or should we take any action? And for this week, volatility, I think we will see the point of views a little bit about the political members, political figures that have the strong impact in crypto market, whether it's going to be Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy, as well as the elect Trump. And I will um, move next after this into the psychology of trading. So I think it was the nice timing to pick a book to talk and share the key takeaway from this book for you guys to learn together with me and take a step back and reflect ourselves. Is there anything that we need to take action in terms of portfolio strategy, our emotional strength? I think this is the key area that the author highlights in the book. He says that the charge or the things, the hard skill that we know among the market, the technical analysis, or even though if it's the inside details, it's all hard skill, but this element is not as much as important as the emotional strength that we are going to have when the market goes down. How are we going to react about how are we going to react for the portfolio? So this is the top key takeaway that I would like to share with you guys in the middle of the live. And then we can move forward shortly to the KOC trading campaign that I can share so far. And after that, we can share the story from the loss. There will be the lessons from crypto trader, and they can share the key takeaway. How are we gonna react about this as well? And the end of the life, I would like to learn. Let's say we learn together about the project. Today I picked ZCash. It was the top trending so far from the couple weeks ago. ZCash right now, I saw the price, it was very high, and to be honest, I have seen them around, the token picture, the token name, but I haven't like read it in details. What is the project? What are they from, and why this project still in the market? Why this thing matter? As well as what is the technology behind it? It is kind of interesting to me because first it's the price, the token price. It is pretty strong and bold, and I see that the trending it's keep staying in the top trading token so far on CoinMarketCap, and yeah, I just would like to see more what is going on with this project. And yeah, so far I think this is the idea of the live. And let me see, is there any comment? If I haven't seen any comment, I just move forward to the token price itself. Hmm. Let's move forward to the token price. Mm, ไหนก็ okay, I am going to talk in Thai as well, like so far after providing the content in English เดี๋ยวแชร์ให้ทุกคนฟังเกรซเพิ่งมาทุกคนน่าจะรู้จักเกรซอยู่แล้วเลยถ้าอยู่ในไทยเนาะก็เกรซเพิ่งมาจอยทีมกับแบงค์อันนี้แล้วก็ลอง build channel ขึ้นมาค่ะที่เป็นของตัวเองมันก็จะมีคอนเทนต์ที่อยู่บน YouTube เนาะที่เพิ่งทำแล้วก็คอนเทนต์ที่ลองโพสต์สุ่ม4สุ่ม5แต่ว่าจะเป็นในคริปโตนั่นแหละแล้วก็ Web3 ก็คือจะมี YouTube มี TikTok แล้วก็มีX content บนนี้ที่ทำแล้วคีย์ไอเดียของเกรซก็นี่แหละอยากแชร์แล้วอยากลอง build ตัว channel as a live streamer ของตัวเองขึ้นมาว่าระหว่างทางเนี่ยมันต้องเรียนเนาะเรียนอะไรแล้วก็อยากเอามาแชร์แล้วใครที่เข้ามาฟังเข้ามาดูอะไรเงี้ยก็หวังว่าจะได้อะไรไปจากหวังว่า channel ของ Grace จะเป็นประโยชน์หรือแบบว่าถ้าอยากเรียนอะไรเงี้ยลองส่งลิงก์มาได้เดี๋ยว Grace รับจ้างเรียน เรียนให้ฟัง no เรียนแล้วก็เอามา recap ให้ฟังได้โอเคแล้วตัวคอนเทนต์ก็จะอยู่เนี่ยแหละค่ะใน Web3 ในคริปโตเดี๋ยวก่อนลองดูสิว่ามีใครเข้ามาในไลฟ์บ้างตอนนี้เหมือนจะยังไม่มีคอมเมนต์โอเคใครที่เข้ามาแล้วอย่าลืมกด subscribe กดคอมเมนต์หรือว่าคอมเมนต์เข้ามาคุยกันได้เดี๋ยวแต่ละเซสชันที่มีเบรกอะไรเงี้ยเดี๋ยวก็จะเปิดเข้าไปดูในคอมเมนต์แล้วก็ไล่ตอบอย่าลืมกดไลค์แล้วก็ subscribe ด้วยนะคะโอเค Hi you guys, yeah, anyone, if you guys are watching, just don't forget to comment or like or subscribe my channel to learn together in Web3 in cryptocurrency. The thing is, if you are looking for some project or something along the way and you don't have time to learn, just let me know. I will just dive deeper and summarize the content in the live for you shortly. Okay, so let's quickly move to CryptoBubble and let me refresh the okay, so far right now previously this morning I have seen it already, and yeah, right now I see it's a half 50% green, 50% in loss in red. Yeah, this is ZEC, and I think the most top loss daily that I have seen so far is minus how much? Uh, minus 13.9 for the dash. Token price right now dash is $3.919 so it draw down into 13.9%. And the next one I saw, what else? Stark it draw down 9.6%. How much is the price right now? 0.2192 dollar. Still being in the rank at the 71st ranking. And what else I see? ICP protocol. Right now the price it is 4.7 dollar, and it dropped 9.2%. And near protocol right now the token price it's $2, still being in the 35th ranking. And the price it dropped down to minus 8.7%. Okay. IPIC right now the price it is $2.8, and the ranking it's still in the 76 ranking, and the price it is down minus 6.7%. Oh, Tau Bitensor, I see the price $318, and still in the ranking at 34th ranking, and the price it was dropped 0.5%. ZCash or ZEC I saw right now is minus 5.7%, and it's still in it is not bad, it's very good. The project is in the 11th ranking, and the price is pretty high, $676 and 70 something cent. And right now it's the token price dropped to minus 7.5%. Shall we talk about pump? Yeah, pump right now the token price is $0.003294. So it's still in the 47 ranking, and the token price it's dropped 7%. So far this is the daily chart. Shall we see the week? For the weekly basis, I see Aster is still performing, Stark is still performing, Tail is still performing. Let's see one top 5 of the weekly time frame of the token that is still standing strong in the market. Tailcoin, the price right now is 0.00650 dollar in the 92 ranking, jumping 66 ranking this week. So the token price jumped 97.4%. And okay, plus 97% right here. The next one that I can see is the second ranking top performing of this week. It's the AB or app. Which one should I should I call AB? Like AB, then the price is 0.006920 and it's in the 95 ranking, jumping themselves to 26 ranking. And so far the weekly performance, they rise, AB rise 25%. Okay, next one, it's the Starknet is doing very good in the weekly basis. The token price jumps 15%. Right now the price is $0.2182, and being in the 71 ranking. What is next? Yeah, I see Uni. Yes, Uniswap is doing good this week. The token price is the $7.954. So the Uniswap is in the 24th ranked, jumping 7 ranks this week so far. And okay, we have tail number 1, number 2 we have app AB, number 3 we have Stark, number 4 we have Uni. Okay, last one, number 5 we have Aster. So Aster this week, the price, weekly price is the $1.2 and ranking in the 40 place and jumping 5 levels so far this week. Can I have a look at CEC? This week they rise 8.4%. I save it for the middle of the life. So this for today, I think the top gain, it could be right here. Uni still rain, maybe meme coin. It's actually raining very hard. Rain IMX. Okay, X ENA right here. Atom. Pay. Okay, are you guys doing good still? Yeah. Okay, so moving from CryptoBubble, I will share a little bit of the coin market cap infographic. Let me quickly refresh it for the accurate. In the meantime, let me know if you guys prefer to hear, listen, learn anything. I can be that person to learn and recap for you in the live streaming as well. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, I am back. Okay, shall we move on to the CMC? Uh, right here I see top five trending token. It's still being the Bitcoin, Aster, Ethereum, Solana, as well as BNB. But the price it's not jumping, but it's dropped a lot for BTC right now as of 8 p.m, almost 8:30. I have right here it's 90 94k roughly. Aster right now I have $1.23, and Ethereum I have right now 3,001 or $159. As well as Solana price, it's as of right now $100, as well as BNB dropped to 922, and the 1 hour percent drop, it was slightly like 0.5, ranging from 0.5 to 1% only. Aster dropped 2.47% in 1 hour. And for other token, I still see some meme coin right here. Piggy sale. Oh wait, this is the power bank. I think I have seen the power bank kiosk before, like even in Bangkok as well as in Wales, Korea. Cannot remember. And I have right now Marina Protocol. What is this piggy sale? Official Trump Hall, $7.3, right? $7.03. And Jupiter right here. Yeah. Okay. So let's have a quick look of other indicator. Let's move on to the fear and greed index today. It leans a lot more on the fear area. The number it's just the 17. It was drawing. It was lower down from the previous week. I saw it was like 26 around here, 24, 26, and this week today it is 17, and it's still leans more on the Bitcoin season. 31st out of 100 is not in the altcoin season at all, and the market cap as of today, as of now, we have 3.23 trillion dollar, and the volume right now we have 167.53 billion. It was bleeding a little bit from this morning. Okay, and from here I see the institutions move the money out of the ecosystem, I think. So the crypto ETF net flow right now is minus 600 or 670 billion right now as of today, 14 November. And the BTC dominance right here is 58.7%, and Ethereum it's gonna be here around 11.8%, and other token in the ecosystem it's 29.5 right here. The gas is not pricey at all. We have the standard GVOI that we need to put. It's a 0.33 and we need to wait for 45 seconds. The duration to it, it's pretty much, it's exactly the same right here that I see. Either we are going to put the money more in the faster transaction or slower transaction, it needs to wait around 45 seconds or within 1 minute. So yeah. Hmm, I'm seeing what should be the important element that I need to share. Maybe let's have a look on the cryptocurrency by chain. I see here uh, right now from the CoinMarketCap infographic. I put the chart from yearly. I put it into monthly, 30 days, and the numbers of the cryptocurrency I see mostly it's on Solana, 70, oh no, 64.5457%. And the second ranking uh it's the let me see, the base that it's the market share, it's 16.64% as the second rank. And I see here for the BSC, it's the third ranking market share. Cryptocurrency by chain, we have crypto on Binance Smart Chain or BNB chain. Sorry, it's 10.7 T 10.7%. Ethereum it's the 1.96%. Solana eats a lot of market share, like the majority of it. I'm so surprised as well that I see the percent portion, it's almost 65. Mm, okay. I think traditionally everyone knows that Bitcoin, that MicroStrategy eats a lot of portion, and it's gonna be right now here 60%, 1 million BTC. It's the US company, and the second second country is Japan. Japan holds Bitcoin 2.9%, following with China 1.4% right here. But US is so bullish. It's 90.5% so far. That whole Bitcoins. Mm, okay, for the fear and greed index from CMC, we see it here. It's 17. I am not gonna touch it. Let's move to the CMC out season index. It's still in the BTC season, 31 out of 100. And what else should I share with you? Oops, it keeps moving. The RSI heat map. Let's switch into 1 hour infographic right here, and average crypto RSI it's at 47.07. 1.5% oversold and 1.3% overbought. Let's see the infographic heat map right here. I will share the balance first in gray. We have right here BTC ETH, um, XRP, BNB, SOL, Doge, ADA, ZEC, XLM, SUI, Shiba, XMR, Aave, Wolfi, ETC, Pi, PI, KCS, Atom, Injective, VAT, VET, that I can see. What else? Sand, Kaya, with SPX, Sora. Sora is in the gray area. Is in the like medium, not too extreme in overbought, not too extreme in oversold. And what else? Linear, HSK, Lista IO. And moving on to the oversold, I see here Super Red, QAI, PYTHIA, Pythia, not Pythia, Solo Power, POWWR, Vana, ORE, Velo, XVG, YC, as in YZY, NPC, RUNE, RUNE, BATS, H1 inch, Brain Uni. And moving on to the crypto oversold right here, I see LTC, Ton, near ICP. Oh, ICP was what else? Ondo, XTC, Syrup, IP, Zero as in CRO, 0G, Brett, Bart, Sano, CCD, Sano as in CANO, EDU, AIAMMT, Jelly, and AIXBT. This is the token that people are overbought and oversold right here. And from CMC, we showcase the Fear and Greed Index, BTC dominance. What else? CryptoBubble, Altcoin, top trending token. Before moving on to see what is the market doing, either like sideways or going down. I think it's going to be the sideways at the moment. So let me quickly take a look. Is there anyone still with me right now so far? Yeah, don't forget to subscribe or comment, click like for the next content. If you prefer to want to learn anything, just let me know. And okay, as of 8:37 right now. I see the BTC price. It's went down. It's still going down to 94K 94,223 is the daily time frame. Okay. I will pick the news to share for you guys a little bit. Okay, I will use the CoinDesk news as the reference. Okay, I zoom in a little bit. So far I am going to check the markets in general. So for the previous large cap token like ETH, BTC, XRP, Solana, ADA, all of these token it drops it from 8 until 16% within 1 week. Yeah, I would like to share as well like what is gonna be next for the crypto bull run. Like everyone keeps talking about it, and it may be here in the other definition of bull, or it hasn't arrived yet in the other definitions of bull. So for this new, let's us see it together. So far technically the bitcoins break below the monthly mid range at 100k. This price it cleared a key liquidity shelf, and it exposed a fast track slide into thinner region. So the near term support sits at around ranging from 93k to 95k. uh, so far Bitcoin slipped further into a deeper drawdown on Thursday, breaking below the psychological 1000 red level, and it's tumbling to 196.6k in early Asian trading. So just give me 1 second for the battery charging. Okay. So far the move marks the lowest print since May, and it follows another wave of risk-off selling across global markets. Everyone is triggered by a sharp reversal in the U.S. tech stocks, and it fades conviction among institutional allocators. Yes, and so far most of the major tokens it's extended losses alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. For the Ethereum, it slipped to 301,000 roughly, and it was down 0.8% on the day, and it was down 12% on the week. So for XRP, it was traded at 2.25 after an 8.8% weekly drop, while BNB it fell to $932, losing 7.8% over the same week. So coming back to Solana was among the worst hit, sliding to 140 after a 16.5% weekly decline, and Doge dropped to $0.161. Cardano slid to $0.491, and TRX it held relatively steady at 0.292 despite broader weakness. So far the broader market structure right now it has deteriorated quickly. ETF inflows have slowed for a second consecutive week. Long-term holders continue to offload at an accelerating pace, and retail flows remain depressed. I remember during the previous weekend, everyone keeps complaining and seeing the price of the BTC that must not um, draw down 100k, but it actually is so. And so far, the research firm, the 10x research firm, they say the confluence of these factors confirms the market has now entered a bear phase with the loss of structural support from funds and corporates and ETF issuance. We can still see it as the opportunity as well during the market, the red market, the price drop down as the way to load more token. For this technical breakdown, technically Bitcoin's break below the monthly mid range at 100k. It clears a key liquidity shelf without exposing a fast track slide into thinner regions near term support sits at 93k to 95k. Mm. A loss of this band could open the door to a deeper taste near 95.6 $1,000. Still coming down. Liquidity gap, a derivatives from Bitfinex told Coindesk over email. On the upside, any rebound faces resistance at 100,000 and 200, and and then it can be rebound then to 100 and 7,000, a level that repeat rejects in recent week. So the market liquidity continues to trend lower with no clear stabilization yet, and a base may form near 93k, but any breakdown risks accelerating into lower structural pockets. The firm added. So Nick Rack of LVRG Research added that Bitcoin's attempt to stabilize near 92k will depend heavily on whether next week's FOMC minutes offer any dovish lean. Okay, I can share you guys the FOMC minutes as well. Let me take some notes. Yeah, everyone says it's gonna be around 93, 94, 95, 96. Mm, okay, ETF outflows and developing death cross signal have kept momentum pointed downward, and uncertainty around economic release following the government shutdown may add further noises. Okay, so we wait for the FOMC. It's gonna be lower down below or near 92k. So the idea of subdued trading likely. Jeff Murray, CEO of BTSE, said the market appears to be bracing for the possibility that the Fed will pause cuts in December. Okay, pause cuts, hopefully, especially as policymakers wait for refreshed data. Until then, subdued trading is likely to persist unless a major macro catalyst emerge. Bitcoin has now erased to entire 30% gain. It notched earlier this year. The slide extends a month-long unwind from the October 6th peaked at 126k dollar, a record reached during the height of optimism around the Trump administration's pro crypto stance. The enthusiasm reversed quickly after the president's unexpected tariff comment jolt global market and triggered a broad deleveraging across risk assets. Bitcoin briefly fell below 93.7k on Sunday, below recovering to about 94.8k in early Monday trading. So far, it's still being in the sideways. I am actually curious about the research firm. I have just seen it right now. LVRG Research. Can we take a look together? Web3 Advisory LVRGPR. Oh, okay. It's the research and advisory. Oh, they have news as well. They repeat. Okay. This could be the source of sharing. Oh, okay. Yi Wei Wang in Nicaragua. Oh, they have to the head of the director of the PR and research and advisory This is good. Okay. Yes. Oh, it the BTC price it drops to 93k. They will stop performing. Performing down. Mm, just want to say hello and don't forget to click the subscribe, retweet, no, subscribe, like, and comment to talk to each other. Which content are you guys prefer to see, learn, and explore together? Okay, the the comments from the political figure. Okay, let's see. What does Eric Trump say? Michael Saylor say, or other? Okay. So far, I've got this source from Yahoo Finance, and let's take a look. What is the phrase, the comments that Electrum says? So far, the this is the takeaway from today's morning brief, which you can see. Uh, he mentioned he didn't expect the hardcore crypto bulls to roll up to roll up this week, and they are very terrified about the sharp pullback in prices. And if I have learned anything, it's that when you become a true believer in a new technology, it's damn near impossible to appreciate a contrary thesis or a warning signs. To say the backdrop for crypto has been way different under the Trump administration would be a major understatement. And President Trump has loosened crypto regulations and signed pro crypto legislation such as the Genius Act. Yes, the more favorable environment has pushed more major financial institutions to begin embracing crypto as a means of appease client and partake in the crypto rally. So the crypto faithful are looking at the signing of the Clarity Act in 2026, which is going to be in the next year, but I cannot remember which quarter. So this is going to be the next major upside catalyst. Also, Bitcoin prices touched new record just a few months ago in this regime. Uh, so the Trump family has developed deep ties to the digital asset space, as well as beside that, um, World Liberty Financial Elite Trump. He has co-founded American Bitcoin slash ABTC alongside with his brother Donald Trump Jr. The business itself, it aims to accumulate Bitcoin mined using technology from Hard Corporation, and the American Bitcoin debut on the Nasdaq in December, in September, and now it sports as a 4.5 billion market cap, billion-dollar market cap. So for however the crypto is entering the final months of 2025 on a downbeat note, no calls yet of a crypto winter, in part because of growing institutional adoption, but fears of more near-term price pressure are percolating. Bitcoin prices alone have declined by um, 15% in the past month. Here's what a few of the industry power players told me at Invest. So again, I didn't expect them to voice concern about the industry. Hearing their perspective is important. So given how entrenched they are in the crypto world. So this is the idea and the key takeaway from Electrum. So let's move next to Michael Saylor. I'm curious what is he gonna say for for elect Trump, it marketing very hard for the conference. I think it was in WebEx as well as in Bitcoin Asia in Hong Kong as well. That he showed up and people queuing very long to talk to them or have a picture with them. Mm. Okay, so far the the tram, yeah. Uh, so far, let's see the speech from Michael Saylor. So he seems to be very chill. He say, I laugh honestly at questions on the recent pullback. Like I literally laugh because it's almost like a not serious question. Bitcoin exactly 2 years ago today was at 36.5k dollar, and what are we sitting at? 102,000 dollar. What 102,000? What 102k dollar, 1,023k dollar, 1,025k dollar. We are dancing in that region. So it was well over 120k dollars. So you had what, almost a 200% later in a 2 year period of time. It's actually really performing if you DCA and just hold. And then people talk about the volatility of Bitcoin. Hey, I will take that volatility. Give me more volatility if I can get more return. And I think that's how crypto people are wired. if you can handle volatility, stay out of cryptocurrency and don't bother. Huh? Can you not chase people out of the market? But go into treasuries where you are going to have zero volatility and you are going to click away at 3% returns. Embrace volatility, embrace the future. It's clearly happening. It's not just happening in the United States, it's happening globally everywhere. So I think to sum up so far that I read the things that seller thinks, he very cares about it. He seems pretty sure whether the price is like too high or like drop 25% low. So he also add more as well that we are in the digital gold rush, and 2035 is the 0.99 year. That means that 99% of all Bitcoin will have been mined in the year 2025. Oh no, 2035. If you want Bitcoin, you need to get it between now and then. So in 10-year time frame, did he say we need to acquire more? Because the last 1% of Bitcoin come out over 100 years. There are no doubt in my mind. Bitcoin will be larger asset class than gold by the year of 2035. He still he still has the strong opinion about digital gold. And I think we have the Robin Hood CEO as well, that he's going to say something. But the video keeps loading. um where shall I find the video clip for you? This is not for the Vlad Tanev, the co-founder and CEO of the Robinhood. He say, I quote him, I think what's gonna happen is outside of the US, the dominant way to invest or get exposure to US assets and later on global assets is going to be through tokenizations and crypto technology, like you see with our EU offering. And then the US eventually will upgrade on the back end. But I think that it will likely be a little bit behind just because we already have that existing infrastructure that serving customers well. And I think that if you look out 10 years, we would like to build a company where more than half of our revenue is ex-US, and sliced another way, more than half of our revenue is institutionals rather than retail. So, Valachanav, the co-founder and the CEO of Robinhood, he thinks that there is a ton of growth left in crypto, and also as it continues on an infrastructure layer with things like decentralized exchange, perpetual futures, tokenizations, as it continues to develop and mature, you are going to start seeing crypto eat the traditional financial system and continue to become integrated at a base layer. And this is what he thinks Oh, wow, that's really cool. Thank you for sharing the news. And for my from my end, I think it's gonna be the pie is gonna be a larger pie as well. And we are still early in terms of the adoption. Looking back, I think like looking around, there will be a lot of things to do for the crypto adoption. And yeah, this is the the that I think. And so far, if you guys are looking to learn any content, just let me know, and don't forget to subscribe or comment, and click like on the live streaming. I tend to push it daily for the daily learning stuffs. Let's see whether is there any comment at it. Mm, okay. Okay. So far, let's make okay. Let's move next to. Oh, the BTC keeps dropping. Let me quickly see the 15 minutes or hour. Okay. The price keep dropping. Hmm. Mm, okay. Uh, so far I like still to share the lesson learned from the onesafe.io, the Cardano lessons, 6.9 million Cardano lessons, how to avoid the crypto dies as disaster. Uh, let's see. So far, it's the content that I have researched and found out of nowhere on the news. And for the they said the unpredictable world of crypto, even the most seasoned investor can stumble into financial traps. A recent story about Cardano or ADA holder who lost a staggering 6.9 million shines a light on the hidden perils of a liquid trading pool. Wait, this is a lot. So this post will break down The key lessons from this costly blunder and share strategies to help you steer clear of similar pitfalls. Uh, so far, the Cardano missteps, it's the hard lesson in liquidity. So this is the rundown. A Cardano investor, uh, this guy, it can be he or she, but he held their stash for over 5 years, then made a move that would cost them over 90% of their investment. They tried swapping their ADA for USDA, a Cardano native stablecoin, but picked a trading pool that was extremely illiquid. Instead of a straightforward swap, they ended up with a mere 847k dollar worth of USDA. This is all about the painful loss. So thanks to the poor liquidity in the pool and grasping the list of the illiquid pool so far in the world of decentralized exchange, liquidity pools are very important for facilitating token swaps, right? So these pools must have a decent amount of both coin, ADA and USDA. In this case, to allow for seamless trades without price fluctuations. When the liquidity is low, large trades can cause something called slippage, which can really hurt your return. So, in this instance, the Cardano holder didn't bother splitting their trade into the smaller chunks or checking out other pools with better liquidity. So they went ahead with one massive swap, like going all into one swap, and ended up triggering a price impact that backfired on them. This serves as a wake up call about how crucial it is to grasp liquidity dynamics before diving into the trades. So the key takeaways for crypto traders is to manage the slippage and the volatility. This unfortunate story is a lesson for all traders, especially those moving sizable amounts. Um, Always check the liquidity slippage settings before executing a swap on DEX. Many platforms have price impact warnings and multi-route swapping option available. Use them to avoid costly mistakes. Also, the community has called for improvements in user interfaces for Cardano-based protocol, asking for clearer warnings when a trade is about to hit high slippage. This is something that really should be prioritized as DeFi keeps expanding. So there are some tips to steer clear for crypto my misshapes to help you guys navigate the tricky waters of crypto trading and dodge costly missteps. Can consider this strategy. First one, we need to do our homework. Always stay research the liquidity of a trading pool before you guys making the big transactions, or use analytics tools to evaluate the volume and price stability of the assets. Second is to use the price impact warnings. Many decks provide alerts about potential price impacts before completing a trade. Pay heed to these warnings. They can save you a lot. And the third one is to break up transactions. This one I use a lot of all the time. So instead of one large trade or one large transaction, think about breaking it into smaller parts to minimize slippage. And the fourth one, we can keep up with market trends. Stay informed about market conditions can help you make better trading decisions. And if you guys prefer to learn or know about anything, just let me know in the comment. I can learn and recap for you as well during the live, during the streaming. And the fifth one is to learn about smart contracts. Familiarizing yourself with how smart contracts function, it can help identifying risks associated with DEX. And the sixth one is to consider institutional solutions. If you are a part of a business, you can consider implementing institutional grade crypto products which can improve liquidity. And to summarize the story, the story of the crypto Cardano investor is a lesson for every crypto trader as the cryptocurrency worlds continue to evolve, right? Understanding the risks associated with illiquid pools and having strategies that manage liquidity is essential. So, with the right knowledge and preparation, you can navigate the complexity of crypto trading without falling into costly traps. After all, in this game, being informed is your base asset. How are you guys doing? Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe the channel. And before you guys are going to learn the psychology of trading with me, let me quickly share the campaign from L Bank. Wait, how to translate this from Indonesian to English? Oh, here. Okay, and yes, so this is the look of the campaign itself. We have right here the campaign specifically for the KOC, and this campaign will have 1 month. The idea is to deposit and get the bonus and then plus extra reward. So this is the tax of it. First one, we will transfer the amount of funds into the futures account, and then after that we will top up to 200 USDT, and you will have the bonus on top of it when you trade more to earn up to 100 USDT as the extra reward. For this campaign, they previously launched on 11, almost 1 week, 11, oh no, not 11, 13 November at 2 p.m. UTC plus 8. So for 1 month duration, this campaign is going to end in the next 13 December 2025 at 2 p.m. UTC plus 8. So if anyone wants to try this campaign for more rewards, just click the link in the comment. I dropped the link here in the comment, or the YouTube intro can do as well. Hello, Zach. Yes, this is the link of the campaign that they have just shared it, so we can just top up and then trade, and then the bonus will be released every Mondays, every Wednesday, as well as every Friday. Okay, let me quickly share all the contents in Thai. โอเคค่ะสำหรับ viewers ชาวไทยนะคะคริสมีเล่าไปหลายอย่างเลยตอนครึ่งแรกเรามาถึงครึ่งทางแล้วครึ่งแรกของ live streaming เกรซก็แนะนำ channel เนอะไม่ว่าจะเป็น YouTube TikTok แล้วก็ Twitter หรือว่า X แล้วก็มีเล่าข่าวเพิ่มเติมนิดนึงว่าเอ่อเล่าข่าวว่าณตอนเนี้ยmarket เป็นยังไงบ้างเจาะวง CryptoBubbles ดูแต่ใน time frame ของวันนี้ daily chart ว่ามีอะไรบ้างสำหรับ top loss token แล้วก็ top performance แต่ว่าจะเป็น weekly performance token ตัวไหนบ้างที่ perform ได้ดีแล้วก็เจาะดู data บน CoinMarketCap เนอะว่า index แต่ละตัวไม่ว่าจะเป็น Fear and Greed index ที่เราดูอะน่าจะอยู่ที่เท่าไหร่ตอนนี้ถ้าจะไม่ผิดน่าจะอยู่ที่17เนาะแล้วก็ต่ำกว่าวีคที่ผ่านมาประมาณ24 25 26ประมาณเลขประมาณนี้เนาะที่เกรซยังพอจำได้แล้วก็ดู BTC dominance ว่าตอนนี้อยู่ที่กี่เปอร์เซ็นต์ ETH dominance อยู่ที่กี่เปอร์เซ็นต์แล้วก็ other cryptocurrency อยู่ที่กี่เปอร์เซ็นต์ดู Altcoin season index ว่าตอนนี้มันยังอยู่ที่ Bitcoin season หรือว่าAltcoin season ซึ่งทุกคนก็เข้าใจกันอยู่แล้วว่ามันเป็นยังเป็น Bitcoin season ยังไม่ใช่ Altcoin season แล้วก็เจาะดู top trending tokens ว่า5 token ที่เราไปส่องมาอะไรเงี้ยมีอะไรบ้างที่จำได้ที่แชร์ไปเนี่ยมันก็จะมี BTC BNB แล้วก็ Ethereum around here แล้ว Grace ก็เล่าให้ฟังคร่าวๆสำหรับข่าวที่ไปพิกอัพมาสำหรับข่าวที่ไปดูเนี่ยก็จะมีณตอนนี้ market เป็นยังไงบ้างเนาะ down trend หรือว่า sideways แต่ว่าโซฟาที่ไปดูจากเว็บไซต์ข่าวอะไรเงี้ยส่วนใหญ่สำหรับ Asia Trends Asian Markets มองว่าไม่อยากให้หลุด100,000ถ้าหลุด100,000มาก็น่าเป็นห่วงแต่ว่าส่วนใหญ่ในตลาดคริปโตพอมันหลุดออกมาแล้วเขาก็เกรงกันต่อไม่ว่าจะเป็นเจ้าของ exchange หรือว่าเจ้าของ research firm ก็แอบมองอยู่ที่ region ประมาณ 92,000 93,000 94,000 95,000 ถึง 96,000 นะประมาณ range นี้แล้วก็ถ้าอยู่ที่ณตอนนี้ช่วง17 November เนาะตอนประมาณ 3:30 เราดู time frame day ตอนนี้ Bitcoin อยู่ที่ 94,100 ก็อยู่ที่เงินไทยน่าจะประมาณ1เท่าไหร่ล้านบาทเดี๋ยวไปลองคูณ32จากเครื่องคิดเลขคร่าว3,225,312 บาทก็น่าจะขึ้นลงอยู่เพราะว่าช่วงที่ไลฟ์ณตอนนี้ช่วงที่ผ่านมาประมาณเกือบ2ชั่วโมงมันก็จะแกว่งอยู่ประมาณเนี้ย 93,000 94,000 แล้วก็ช่วงต้นไลฟ์อยู่ที่ 95,000 ก็ขึ้นลงอยู่ที่ประมาณนี้เนาะแล้วก็มีพูดถึงเรื่อง volatility ของสัปดาห์นี้แล้ว Grace ก็พาไปดูว่าแบบ political figures อย่าง Elliot Trump หรือว่า Michael Saylor หรือว่า CEO แล้วก็ co-founder ของwhat is the name of the exchange Robinhood เขาคิดยังไงกับตลาดนัดตอนนี้ถ้า recap สั้นๆ Michael Saylor คือชิลมากไม่รู้สึกสะทกสะท้านอะไรกับณตอนนี้เขาก็จั่วหัวให้ฟังอีกว่าถ้ากระเถิบไปช่วง2ปีที่ผ่านมา Bitcoin Price มันก็ยังอยู่ที่ราคาประมาณ $36,000 แล้วณตอนนี้เวลาเนี้ยราคามันวิ่งไปที่แสนเกือบแสนแล้วเขาก็ซูมเอาให้ดูอีกในอีก10ปีเนี้ยเราควรจะยิ่งเก็บสะสม Bitcoin อันนี้ as of perspective from Michael Saylor เขาบอกว่ามันยังไปได้อีกในช่วงนี้จนถึงปี2035ส่วน Elliot Trump ก็ excited กับสิ่งที่กำลังจะเกิดขึ้นเขาก็ไม่ได้มองว่ามันเป็นเรื่องที่น่าจะต้องตื่นตระหนกเพราะว่าทุกอย่างก็มีขึ้นมีลงมีเวลาของมันแล้วก็เขาก็ค่อนข้าง bullish กับ Bitcoin กับ cryptocurrency ในฝั่งเขาใช้คำว่า family member ที่กำลังจะผลักดัน Crypto Bill หรือ Genius Act ที่จะให้ US เนี่ยเป็นอันดับหนึ่งประเทศอันดับหนึ่งที่ผลักดัน cryptocurrency แล้วก็ adopt cryptocurrency ในโลกนี้yes ถูกต้องก็ประมาณนี้คอนเทนต์ที่ Grace แชร์ให้ฟังครึ่งแรกเดี๋ยวหลังจากเนี้ยก็จะเล่าเรื่อง psychology of trading เป็น recap จากหนังสือที่ Grace ไปเจอมาช่วงเมื่อเช้านี้แล้วก็ไปอ่านเพิ่มเติมในช่วง weekend ที่ผ่านมาอะไรเงี้ยมันก็เป็นเรื่องของแบบ Mastering the Mental Game of Trading by Stephen Goldstein ไอตัวหนังสือนี้เดี๋ยว Grace เปิดให้ดูดีกว่าว่าหน้าตามันประมาณนี้let's give it a try from The Mental Game of Trading อันนี้คือหน้าตาหนังสือที่ไปอ่านรีแคปมาแล้วก็เดี๋ยวนะ Grace ว่า Grace มีวิดีโอที่เพิ่งส่งที่เพิ่งอัปโหลดไปเหมือนกันเดี๋ยวเปิดให้แชร์ดีกว่าโอเคอันโอเคอันนี้เป็น recap ที่กำลังจะแชร์ต่อมันก็เป็นเรื่องของหนังสือที่ไปอ่านมานี่แหละแล้วเราก็มา recap ให้ฟังเพราะว่ามันน่าจะเป็นช่วงที่แบบเป็นช่วง perfect timing นะตอนนี้ที่ market drawdown แล้วเราน่าจะมีปัญหาทางสภาพจิตใจส่วนหนึ่งOkay, let's see if we have a comment from any watcher. Hi guys, once again welcome to my channel. I just started this channel. If you prefer to learn anything in crypto industry, Web3, just feel free to drop me the area of the thing that you are interesting, and I will study, will learn, will read about it, and will recap for you to listen and digest as well together during the live streaming. And yes, this is the before moving to the next section. I was earlier shared a little bit of recap in Thai. What are we talking? So let's move to the next content. It's all about the psychology of trading. So far, this book that I had read previously has skimmed, just say read must be very thoroughly. So this is the 7 recap that I share, and if you prefer the shortcut video, it's in my own channel. Just click the video from the channel itself. So the highlights of this book, it's break down into seven area. He talks about the inner self, trading personality, ego in trading, uncertainty, psychological resilience, inner coach, as well as integration. So far, this book, it was published last year, 2024, by Stephen Goldstein. Can I just have a quick look of the comments from the Goodreads? The Goodreads gave this book 4.35 stars. Oh, it's a very good review. Before I purchase any book, I just quickly see the review from Goodreads as well. It's a very nice source of comments. The users on Goodreads, they give the comment very honest. 5% for 5 stars for 53%. And 4 stars for 31%. Let's see some comments from 2025. Scott Hill, he said the market wants your money, full stop. After each outcome, good or bad, you must reset. Oh, that's true. He really gets the point across. Across something why he stopped here. Is there anything? else after this. He comments in August 25, and another another comment in 2025 hammers the point that trading is a performance activity, and as such requires the trader to be in a optimal state to performer. Elite performers don't leave this to chance. They have a process, and ghosting performance process cycle provides the framework for the trader to develop theirs in alignment with their true selves. Yeah, that's true because roughly the book highlights very hard the idea of working on your emotional strength no matter how much you know about the trading and about the market. One last comment before we move to the recap and key takeaway itself. Felipe Pinala, Pinilla, great book on the process. Every trader follows and how to navigate through it successfully. Working on putting your ego on your side is part of the way to mastery. This is really awesome. Okay, nice one. Uh, okay, so for the book recap itself, then there will be the core premise that I highlight in the video as well. So the trading performance is far less about the strategies and the charts, and it's far more about self-awareness, emotional mastery, and psychological alignment. The author Goldstein argues that the trader's inner world is the true driver of consistent results. So let's see the first one. He talks about inner self. So the inner self based on his writing, he considers it as the ultimate trading edge. Uh, he emphasized that most traders obsess over systems, indicators, and market analysis, but me or most of the trader ignore the mental and emotional patterns that distort decision making. He also writes that your mental state is a fundamental factor that enables traders to make effective decisions. So from this chapter, the book positions the inner self as the behavior, like my behavior, your behavior, our beliefs, our attitudes, and emotional responses. All of this is the ultimate source of ultimate source of trading edge. And for facing market fluctuation or volatility with emotional stability, it will help traders handle pressure and stress more effectively. And to move next to the second chapter, he encouraged us to know ourselves, to know our trading personality. So this is three things that every trader has based on his writing. First one is the natural tendencies. Second one is the core motivations. And third one is the behavioral strengths and weakness. So he guides us to identify our own trading personality. For me, if I trade, I will jot down the plan, the note, as well as like in detail how do I feel to understand myself as well in the deeper level, and how to react, how to respond to the market, how to respond to my own feelings and strategy that does not work. But so far this is the thing that I think it will help you understand yourself more, but based on the writing of the author. Second thing, apart from identify the trading personality, is to understand how it will affect the risk taking. Everyone has the different level of the risk that they can take. So please please closely monitor yours. And third one, he encouraged to recognize how personal bias quietly shapes outcome. For the whole idea, he put his own formula, as in trading success equals personal alignment plus market skill. For this formula, and overall it encourages the cultivation positive mindset, and the view mistakes like the ability that you will view mistakes as the opportunities to learn, and strengthening the mental state needed for continuous self improvement. And the third one is the role in ego, the role of ego in trading. So by the definition of ego, he put it as the desire to be right, to win, as well as to avoid loss. It will create the damaging behavior, as in forcing trades, overconfident, revenge tradings, hesitation despite clear signals. For this element, traders often become the victims of their own emotions without realizing it, such as the degree, the fear, or overconfidence. The author recommends becoming aware of your emotional triggers, using a rules-based trading system, and setting strict stop loss and take profit levels to maintain the proper risk control. And also the author teaches how to separate your identity from your trade, reducing emotional pressure and improving the clarity. This is very good to separate the identity out of the trade. And for the fourth chapter of the book, he encourages us to embracing uncertainty. Um, for the market itself, it's the uncertain by nature, so feel emotionally. So he encourages three things. First, to accept uncertainty rather than fighting for it. And second is to building the comfort with probabilistic outcomes. And third one is to shifting focus from predicting the markets to responding to them. This one is really interesting. Shifting the focus from predicting the market to responding to them, and the mindset as well. Like we control our own action, not the outcome. So he highlights that discipline is at the heart of successful trading, whether it's planning ahead, remaining risk, or exceeding trades when the market moves against your plan. So engaging in reflective practice or reviewing trades after each sessions helps identify mistakes and encourages continuous improvement. For the fifth chapter of the book, he builds the psychological resilience with the reader. So the key tools that the book emphasizes, there are four things. First one is the mindfulness. Second one is the observation. Third one is the building inner calm in volatile condition. And fourth one is the learning to respond instead of react the market. So this chapter of the book is about cultivating emotional stamina and mental flexibility, both essential for longevity. The book stressed the importance of uncovering personal beliefs that may hinder trading performance, such as fear of loss or attachment to being overconfidently. And it questions and he questions and evaluates these beliefs, helps traders adopt a more neutral and flexible attitude, which improves decision accuracy. And for the moving to the sixth chapter, he encouraged all of us to work with our inner coach. Um, the author introduces techniques such as self inquiry, which involves asking yourself reflective questions to understand your mental state and trading behavior, and setting both short term and long term goals, reviewing actual results, comparing them to the goals, and adjusting strategies accordingly. It will be the key part of the process. Rather than battering impulses, you learn to dialogue with them. And moving to the last chapter of the integration mindset, of the integration, is like integrating mindset into trading performance. So he combines these two things together, and there will be three main points that he combines. How inner mastery boosts consistent returns. And the second one, how to transform psychological insights into daily trading habits. And the third one is how to continuously evolve as a trader. So the after the combination, the central message, the heart of the key takeaway, he say better trading begins with better self mastery, and this is the idea of the book. I have the application tips as well, how to be better in the market. But before moving to the tips, please give me two. I will be back. Okay, okay, yeah, come back. Um, Thanks for waiting. Okay, here. So, the practical application tips that I think I can share. It's to prevent the emotional challenge. First one is to practice emotional awareness. Before and after trading, we can record our own emotions and note what triggered them. It helps create strategies to manage those triggers in the future. And second point is to set the clear trading rules. We can define the entry and exit conditions, position size limits, and stick to the plan with discipline to reduce. And the third one, we can develop a growth mindset. We can view mistakes as the data for improvement when experiencing a loss, analyze the reason objectively, and find a corrective path. And fourth one is the continuous self assessment. We review the training results weekly or monthly and look for recurring behavioral patterns or remitting beliefs and work to collect them directly. And for number fifth, we can maintain life and mental balance by taking care of the physical and mental health, get sufficient sleep, exercise, and use relaxation techniques such as meditation. Balance mind is better prepared for the volatile market. Okay, be before we coming to the end of the life, I want to have a little bit of dive deeper to the project because this project I have seen them being in the top 5 token ranking for a while, like couple weeks, and I believe it's in the market for many years. Um, Wait, where is ZCash? Mm. Yeah, this is the project that I am going to have a look. Mm. Okay. Oh, I um I went to see the ZCash and would like to share what is it about. Mm. The price right now is $692. And can we have a look at the uh the Twitter together with Rectix ECC. Oh, the creator of ZCash protocol. Privacy is normal. Cypherpunk is now live. Must be something around CK. Let's let's have a quick look together. Okay. ZCash or CEC, a guide to Bitcoin-based privacy coin. Oh, so it's built on top of Bitcoin, and the ZCash, it's a publicly encrypted blockchain and scientific breakthrough in cryptography with its use of zero knowledge cryptography known as zk-SNARKs. Oh, okay, they use zk-SNARK. Um, so far, I think previously we are here on the electric coin and electric coin co or company ECC. I think it's the company behind it. So it might be first launched in 2025. Really? That old? Mm, let's have a look of the team. Oh, okay. So this is it. The look of the team. And yes. So the look of the team, I think they are super good at engineering for sure. So the Zcash is the encrypt blockchain that built on top of Bitcoin, and then they leveraged zero knowledge cryptography known as zk-SNARKs. So for this framework, it allows the users to leverage two addresses, one fully private and another one with transparent. It's similar to Bitcoin, but the two customized able modes, it will shield it will be shield and transparent. So this mode, it will allow the transaction to be completely anonymous or publicly viewable. Okay, should be very interesting. So from the Bitcoin insider that I see, there will be the description of how does the Zcash work, right? So this is the significant Zcash. It's because it provides a secure transportation layer for the data. It's and the ultimate identity is the HTTP of money. Imagine an armored car contain your data in a box, right? So the security from the vehicle protects someone else from viewing the contents of the box as well as provides safe passage for the data. Uh, for the Bitcoin, with Bitcoin, a clear or a glass car, it can transport your data, allowing anyone to see the contents. Would be observers, and we don't know that whether that observers are they gonna be the thieves or other bad actors have the ability to see what you have in the vehicle, right? So the amount of your funds or where they are going, coming to or coming on out of this thing, they cannot say it. uh, so the technology that they use is the zk-SNARKs. This zk-SNARK, it's the scientific breakthrough in cryptography that allow you to prove an action without having to review all the details of the particular action. Before ZK-SNARKs, someone would have to recreate and retest the inputs you use. So the ZK-SNARKs that we talk about, it's the abbreviation or the short form from zero knowledge sucking non-interactive arguments of knowledge. This is the mathematical proof constructs. It ensures all the information of the sender, receiver, as well as the amount. All of this is going to be encrypted while also preventing double spending. It can be a critical element to successful cryptocurrency architecture. So the the idea of this on top of Bitcoin, yes, Bitcoin is transparency, but Bitcoin is not anonymous. Um, the all negative outcome of Bitcoin's transparency is that savvy criminals can gain some anonymity through coins mixers and IP cloaking, while your average user gets no privacy because anonymity is not built in. Most users don't change these default settings. This transparency creates vulnerabilities as would-be attackers can cherry-pick the highest value victims by seeing who has the most money in their wallet. Ooh. On the enterprise side, a business must protect confidential information from competitors, customers, and even suppliers. So employers might want payroll kept secret from other employees and rivals. These trade secrets are not insignificant, and you shouldn't underestimate the ability or the utility of protecting them as well. So far, this is the look of the team. They are very awesome. Let's see what are they, what are they from. Okay, so they have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. in the team. Okay, the founding team of ZCash is coding in the picture the future of private and secure money. So the ZCash team is a mishmash of scientists, engineers, designers, and business pros from across the globe. Their resumes include MIT, Johns Hopkins, and Tel Aviv University. As Zcash founder and CEO, Silko Wilcox puts it, oh, this is the look of him. Uh, in the quotation, in the quote, this is the first protocol of its kind. It is the product of years of scientific research, advanced engineering, and diligent security work. We encouraged the Zcash community to experiment with us and to mine, run a node, and join the growing and friendly community. Zcash is a consensual currency, a community network, a developer supported cryptocurrency. Your active participation makes the network stronger. There was no crowd sale or ICO for Zcash, but rather private investments from renowned individuals like Naval Rivercorn, Angelis founder. Oh, I need to take note because I remember once I read the Naval Rivercorn, the book. Let me see whether I still have it. Um, it's okay. He wrote a very very good book, and I think I could put it as the book recap or summarizations as well for the next session. And then Roger were early Bitcoin investor, Eric were early Shapeshift founder, Barry Silbert digital currency council founder, and Fred Ersam, founder of Coinbase. I'm sorry if I pronounce his name wrong. So this is pretty interesting. Let me take note. Apart from FOMC, it will be Nava River Con for the next book recap for the traders. And I think the core purpose is the privacy focused cryptocurrency, and this can give users the option of the shielded or the private or the transparent transparent transaction. And I find this Zcash article on Cointelegraph. I think it's good if we take a look together. We can still jump to the comparable table. For Zcash, it's a bit coin forks, yes. But for the feature itself, I think it's slightly different, especially the technological mechanism. The Zcash, they use zk-SNARK, Bitcoin they use proof of work, and the privacy is the optional privacy. Bitcoin, it has the limited privacy. and ZCash has the higher fungibility, and Bitcoin has the lower fungibility. So a little bit of the key feature, it used to be it as a Zcash, it used as the modified version of Bitcoin's code. So it shares some feature, the total supply of ZEZ, like Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins. New CEZ are minted via Zcash mining or proof of work consensus protocol. So overall, Bitcoin, it was designed to be synonymous and rather than completely anonymous, because transaction and wallet address information are recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain and can be viewed by anyone, right? So the solution for greater anonymity, but with Zcash is it's option for user to choose the shielded address that don't appear on the Zcash blockchain. So alternatively, user can stick with transparent address. They are openly recorded. A further unique feature of the Zcash blockchain is a Zcash ceremony or Zcash trusted setup, which occurred when the blockchain was created and required a trusted group to create mastery public key for blockchain. Once the setup was complete, the group was required to destroy any data relating to the master key to protect Zcash from manipulation at later stage. And the criticisms of this design stem from concerns such as that there is no proof that the setup process was performed as expected, or that sensitive information has been destroyed. So this is the key feature of it. And I would like to dig a little bit deeper of the history of the Zcash right here. Mm, because I was seeing it, the Twitter of the company, it was started since 2025, but actually seems like they were they are here before that. So the zero coin white paper, it was published. It was published in 2013 by Matthew Crane and Eli Ben Sasson, and it received contributions from other cryptographers and academics. The group believed Bitcoin didn't offer enough privacy for users and proposed solutions. Oh, okay. So they built on top of Bitcoin because they are looking for something that can close the privacy gap. Coin was initially designed to work with the Bitcoin blockchain, hence using its code base. So Suko Wilcox began working to advance the project in 2025. Oh, okay. And Zcash was released in October 26. Oh, but it was like 1 year on the project operation. It's actually pretty short. Can I say that? because so far, judging from the achievement of the project, 2025 right now, it's like 10 years ago. It's pretty huge, and the price goes so like beyond, as well as the technology itself. Like from Bitcoin, they have the adoption of the zk-SNARK technology. Is like they consistently evolve with the market, not just stay in the market. Nice. Let me follow their LinkedIn after this. Will Cox is the CEO of the electronic coin company Bracket ECC, whose developers work to forward the ZCash blockchain supported by the nonprofit ZCash foundations. Okay, the work of the electric coin company and the ZCash Foundation is in part funded by the newly minted ZEZ released by the ZCash protocol. Oh, okay. This is how this is how it goes. Um, Maybe let's take a look of the future of the ZCash. So far, Zcash has been criticized for its potential to facilitate illicit transactions in the cryptocurrency space. Although this isn't the goal of the Zcash founders, it faces regulatory scrutiny for offering anonymous transactions and has been delisted from some exchanges along with other privacy coins over concerns privacy and anonymity are abused by criminal. Oh my god. uh I feel bad because it is a good project, just because we have the small dark spot in the white paper, so everything needs to be regulated and manipulated too strong, and need to be controlled. Um, it's also a large and energy intensive blockchain that, like many others, must work on better scalability. Zcash did unveil plans to move to a proof of stakes consensus mechanism in 2021. As of 2024, those plans still appear in the underway, with an approach that would be Zcash move to see a hybrid consensus model before a final moves to per POS. So on the positive side, some believe Zcash's privacy features add to its value, and that as the crypto market grows, there will be increasing demand for privacy focused coins and blockchains. Ethereum developers and institutions such as JP Morgan are exploring the benefits of zero knowledge technology for their own project. However, it is yet to be seen if Zcash can overcome potential regulatory hurdles and gain widespread acceptance to truly rival traditional forms of cash in everyday use. Written by Marcel Deer. Oh, okay. This is what it is. So this project is facing the regulation because they provide a privacy feature of the transaction. Oh, I feel bad for them because it's so far it's a very like good project. The coin has two sides, like people say. Mm, okay, before we go, I just want to to highlight you guys again that we are having right now the trading campaign for the KOC community specifically. So the idea is to deposit and get 20% bonus plus extra reward. The campaign they our bank has launched this campaign last week, 1 month duration. So this campaign is gonna end in 13 November at 2 p.m. UTC plus 8. The idea is to transfer to future account, and then you will get up to 200 USDT bonus. And then if you trade, you have a chance to earn up to 200 USDT as the extra rewards as well. So let's take a look of the campaign right here. And the reward will be distributed every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I dropped the link in the comment as well as at the during the intro of the live streaming. If you guys prefer to have a look, just click it and explore it. And yeah, I think it's very good to be here sharing the contents and news with you guys. Thank you for being watching and staying with me. If you guys prefer to learn any area of the crypto, just share me and drop me the link, and then I will summarize or recap again in the next live. See you again tomorrow, and have a nice day. Before I end this live, let's have a quick check on BTC price. It's still in the site where 94k USD. Okay, right. Thank you for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.